Yo, what is going on, you guys? And as you guys can see, I'm going to be showing you guys exactly how to ollie higher while riding. So no more of ollieing like this or like this, and instead we're gonna be ollieing like this or even like this. Let's go jump right into this, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. Okay, so in order for us to be getting those nice riding ollies, nice and high, smooth, and that, first of all, we're obviously gonna have to know how to ride the board. So if you don't already know how to do that, just start cruising around. Take some days into that, just ride normally, and then you could try a little bit of ollies into that. But once you get really comfortable with your board, I want you to then go ahead and do this. I want you to first be able to ollie when your foot is just at the nails here. So obviously have your foot position right here. And I want you to do this maybe like 5 times, land it exactly like this. It's not going to be all too big of ollies at all. But I want you to do that 5 times. And then I want you to put your foot right here in the middle of the board. And I want you to do that 5 times. And most likely that just got you a lot higher there. But I want you to land it 5 times. Then I want you to do the exact same thing while riding. Little ollies. Do that 5 times. Then while you're riding, I want you to put your foot right in the middle of the board again 5 times. Then after you are to finish doing all those ollies, I want you to do 10 fakie ollies. Now, if you can't get started with doing the fakie, you can just push off of something, or you can just use your back foot and you can push into it. Now, if you've never done a fakie ollie before, it's going to be a little interesting. It's going to be kind of a bit difficult, but it is doable, and they are actually pretty fun. And they're actually not that hard at all. It's just pretty much as easy as doing an ollie, but it's just going to feel a little different. Okay, and now, as you have gotten it all done there, now just go ahead and ride and do your ollie, and your ollie should be just going higher as it is. 1, with that, doing all that, it warms you up. 2, it gets your ollies ready. And 3, it helps you find the center point for your ollie to make it even go higher. But if it still didn't do anything to your ollieing in that, either you need to do it again, or you didn't find your balance point, or you also might not have your foot on the board here right. Some people I know do their ollies exactly like that. You want to put it on the tip of your board right here. Maybe like the center of your palm of your foot is just chilling on there. That gets you the most pop out of your board, and you get your biggest ollie out of it. Now, hopefully that actually did help you guys with getting your ollie a lot higher. And if it did, go ahead and drop a like. And if you guys are also brand new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe, because we got many more banger content coming out. And yeah, that's basically all I had for you guys today. And now we'll see you guys in the next one.